There are personal qualities which are important for science, for scientists. Scientists need to be creative, they need to be sceptical, they need to be honest and transparent, and in my view, they need to be courteous in scientific dispute. It's very important that you argue and disagree. It's fine to say that somebody's idea is stupid. It is not fine to say they are stupid. Courteous debate helps. Humility and self-doubt help as well. The 17th century courtier and philosopher Francis Bacon said, "If a man will begin with certainties, he shall end in doubts. But if he will be content to begin with doubts, he shall end in certainties." Put all of this together, and you have a process which can offer extraordinary insights into the natural world, and that is what science delivers. But the work of science can also require courage, as it sometimes strikes at the heart of accepted thinking. Challenging established opinion can be part of science, and it can bring about revolutionary changes, and these can be very unsettling for society. Displacing the Earth from the centre of the universe, first to an orbit round the Sun, then to the arm of a galaxy within an infinity of galaxies, had a profound effect on the position of humankind. Evolution had the same dramatic effect, moving us from being specially created and separate from the rest of life to being related to every living organism on the planet. Charles Darwin recognized this in his Descent of Man, published a few years after The Origin of Species. He said, "Man, with all his qualities, with sympathy, with benevolence, with his godlike intellect, with all these exalted powers, man still bears in his bodily frame the indelible stamp of his lowly origin." I imagine Darwin wandering around a museum of natural history, observing the skeletons of our near relatives. These ideas about the Earth and about the origins of humankind were once unthinkable, once heretical, but are now fully accepted by all those who respect knowledge and the power of reason. So science can be a truly revolutionary process, and we have to be ready for what it might reveal.